Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to add users on your WordPress site. So if you are adding users on your WordPress site, so your friends or the other users can edit or can post on your website. So what you have to do, you open your dashboard on your WordPress. Make sure you are the super admin or you are the admin or the administrator of your WordPress sites like this, and then click here users, and then you can click add new. You can click that one, and then this is the username. Later the user will be login using this username. For example, this one example, and then make sure you put the correct email of that users, because the detailed login will be sent through this email. So for example at gmail.com, and then the first name and last name. This is optional, I think. If you want to put it the true name, you can do it. You can first and second, and then the website also optional. And then this is the password, automatic generated by the WordPress. And then that's it. After that, the final, you can select the role of these users. If your this invite user is the subject to editing your post, you can click editor or author. The user will be able to post on your site, and contributor, and then subscribers. Don't put administrator if you don't really trust this person, because administrator can do anything to your site, like edit the theme or edit the other user, and so on. After that, you can click add new user, and that's it. This is a very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, or you can just click put thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.